Hi, this is Sarah Beth Minton again, Director of the White Pine Public Library in White Pine, Tennessee, and we are going to start our second video of our Google Job Skills series. This video is going to be about how to search for a job using Google Tools. So we are again using Google Chrome as our browser. You can use any browser that you prefer. So we're at our home screen. You'll see up here in the corner, there's a button that says Sign In. So we are going to click there. And it's remembered our previous email account. So we will click here. It's going to prompt us for our password, which we will enter right now. And it's going to look like nothing happened. However, if you look at the top corner of your screen, you will see your initial in a circle. If you click on that, it's going to bring up your user information. This is for your entire Google account, not just for your email. So this is everything across the Google platform you are signed into now. So to get out of this box, you'll just click anywhere. Now let's see. Today we're going to be searching for a job. As far as which industry you want to search for, you can search by industry. You can search by, you can just type in jobs near me. So let's do that. We will just type in jobs near me. Okay. Google wants to know our location. You can either block or allow. I'm going to click allow. Okay, so we have, these are the Google results here from the Google website. Down here, if you scroll down, these are going to be other websites that you can use to find a job. Indeed is a great website. I use it a lot when I'm helping people build resumes. But today we're going to be learning how to use just Google Jobs. So if you click on the blue heading up here, and it will take you to a larger screen. So up here, we have searched for jobs near me. And since I enabled Google to view my location, it knows that I am in White Pine, Tennessee. So let's see. Right now we are searching by category. So we have all of the jobs selected. If you want to narrow it down, you are most certainly welcome to. Let's search for admin and office. Okay, so on the side here, it's going to show the jobs that are available in that category. If you would like to, let's see, if you want to clear this search, you go up here and click the X next to 1. The 1 indicates how many search filters you have going on. So right now, the only filter that we have used for our job search is admin and office. So there's only one filter going. So we will click the X. That will take away all of the filters and we're back to all of our jobs. Let's see. We can search by location. And this is going to be how far away from you the jobs are going to be. So right now we have a search radius of 15 miles, which is a pretty normal commute. And let's see, we've got all of the different cities in Tennessee up here. So we will click 15 miles from White Pine, Tennessee. Okay. So now that we have filtered our search by location, again, right up here, our search filter says that we have one filter going. And again, if you want to clear out all your filters, just click the X next to it. It will show you all of the jobs for all of the areas. How about company type? Retail, restaurant, logistics, etc. Let's see if there are any manufacturing jobs within 15 miles of White Pine. It looks like we have 2. Again, up here you will see that you have 2 filters going on your search. So let's say that we are interested in applying for the sales job at Mac Tools in White Pine, Tennessee. What you'll do over here is you will click the bookmark icon to save it. Now the job is saved. So we will clear out all of our filters, which will take us back to all of the jobs anywhere near us. So you sort through which jobs you're interested in, which jobs you're not, bookmarking the ones that you feel like you would like to apply for. When you're ready to apply, when you are ready to submit your resume, fill out your applications, you will go over here to Saved. That's going to show you over here all of the jobs that you have selected. So it's going to be just a list of things that you want. Right here, apply on Jora. So this is just the listing for the job that's available. This is going to tell you how to apply for that job or submit your resume. There are a lot of different websites that companies use to process their HR. So we'll click Apply on Jora. Now you'll see that up here you have a new tab. If you click this tab, it will take you back to your Google search for jobs. So you haven't lost your search just because you clicked apply. It is just in a new tab. So we'll go up here, we'll click on that tab, and it's going to tell you all of the things that you need to know about how to apply for this job. You'll just click down here and it will show you how to submit your resume. Okay. So as soon as you're done reading this, let's say you read through it and you decide, I'm not really that interested in this job. It doesn't seem like it's a good fit for me. So what you'll do when you're done, you'll go up here to the X and you'll just close this tab, which will take you back to your job search. I think those are the basics for how to actually find a job that you're interested in. If you want to join me next time for our third video, we will be discussing how to write a resume. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me.